Hello viewers, welcome to Saleh Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to obtain a product or multiplication of two values in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, this is a table from an invoice format. Here my requirement is to obtain total amount for these five types of items by multiplying their quantity and rate. As we have learned in the past videos, start writing down the formula with equal to sign in the desired cell. Select the first cell and then put asterisk mark and then select the second cell and press enter. We got the product of these two cells in this cell. Now for the product of the remaining quantities, just select the first cell and then double click on the bottom right corner of the cell. You will get the result of other items also. In this way, you can obtain the product or multiplication of two values in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.